Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a woman wearing a mix of science fiction and ethnic clothes by RA Studio. Feather Falling, a pack of fantasy music by Tom Music. Game Character Hub Portfolio Edition just got updated to version 3.10.0 with new features and improvements. Next, we have a Tileset pack of fantasy interiors by Clockwork Raven. And lastly, D757 Gaming did a live stream sharing important tips for new RPG Maker users. Now D7 has played lots of RPG Maker games on his YouTube channel, so his tips and suggestions are from the perspective of an experienced gamer. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now and make even better quality games for gamers.